friends, are you ready to go? Let's follow the alphabet nice and slow. 2-word rhymes for every sound. Let's sing out loud and jump around. A is for ant and aeroplane above. Say with flying love. B is for bag and buzzing bee. Say sing with me. A is for cat and cooking cup. Say cup. Now jump up. D is for dog and dancing duck. Set duck and cluck. E is for egg and empty envelope. Say E with hope. F is for fish and fast fan. Say cool if you can. G is for goat and green gate. Say check. Don't be late. H is for hat and hopping hen. Say ha once again. I is for ink and itchy insect. Say I. What comes next? J is for jam and jelly juice. Say jet. Let the fun loose. K is for kite and kicking kangaroo. Say cut. Off it flew. L is for lamp and laughing lion. Say keep on trying. N is for moon and marching mouse. Say M around the house. N is for net and noisy nail. Say tap without fail. O is for ox and orange on the floor. Say let's explore. P is for pig and purple pen. Say cut right again. Q is for quarter and quiet queen. Say quack like a dream. R is for rat and racing rocket. Say rah. Blast off like a rocket too. S is for sun and sliding seal. Say sis. That's the deal. T is for tent and tiger too. Say choo. U is for unicorn and under umbrella. Say you. Bright and stellar. V is for bass and violin band. Say V. Catch me if you can. W is for whale and windy waves. Say woo. Whoosh and rave. X is for x-ray and extra fun. Say on the run. Y is for yak and yellow yarn. Say yee. Twist and turn. Say is for zebra and zigzag zoo. Say z, just like you. Wow, we did it! From A to Z, you rhymed and clapped along with me. Let's say our sounds both loud and clear. Great job, my friends. Give a cheer!